So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Cure. In this video, I will guide you with how you can update your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So you can install the latest iOS update from the Settings app. Let me show you how. So first of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on General. Here you will see different options like About, Software Update, iPhone Storage, Apple Care and Warranty, AirDrop, etc. Here tap on Software Update. And now this will show all the updates available. If any update is available, you can install it. Also, from here, you can enable automatic updates. For this, tap on Automatic Updates. And now enable all the toggles here. Once done, your iPhone will install all the updates available automatically when connected to Wi-Fi. So this is how you can update iPhone 16 series and iPhone 16 Pro series. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.